Hey guys, and today I'm gonna drive my race car. Look at that. It's awesome. Just look at it. I love it. It's awesome. It's so cool. Yeah. But I'm gonna drive it and it's gonna be so much fun. So yeah, I'll see you in a minute. Yeah, this is awesome. This is great. Awesome! Okay. Okay, you keep going for a little bit and I'll see you guys later. So, yeah. Do. Whoever's driving that is really cool. Okay, let's just go. Well, wait. I'm just gonna watch this. Oh, no, let's go. Seatbelt. And safety first, kids. Ah, yes. Finally home. Where have you been all day? I've been driving my race car and it was super fun. Cool.